Welcome to Detroit, a city with a rich tapestry of culture, history, and of course outstanding cuisine. Known as the Motor City, and famous for its crucial role in the automotive industry, Detroit also boasts a vibrant culinary scene that's steeped in tradition and innovation. One of the city's most cherished gastronomic treasures is its soul food, a type of cuisine that offers more than just nourishment. It tells the story of resilience, community, and heritage. In this video, we dive into why Detroit's soul food is not just food. It's a narrative of human endurance and cultural pride. Let's explore the roots of this culinary phenomenon and how it has shaped the identity of Detroit today. The story of soul food in Detroit begins with the Great Migration, where millions of African Americans moved from the rural southern United States to the industrial cities of the North, including Detroit, seeking better opportunities and lives. They brought with them their culinary traditions, which were deeply rooted in the soul of Southern cooking. Ingredients like collard greens, cornbread, and fried chicken were not just meals, but also a piece of home they carried with them. Over the decades, these dishes have been preserved and celebrated within local communities, growing into a culinary field all their own in this bustling urban landscape. As we dig into the layers of flavors, we also unveil the layers of stories imbued in every bite, a true testament to the persistence and creativity of the African American community in Detroit. Soul food in Detroit is more than just a culinary genre. It acts as a central hub for community gathering and celebration. Restaurants and home kitchens where soul food is prepared become places where people come together, discuss their lives, share their joys and challenges, and foster a sense of belonging and community. This food has helped shape the cultural and social fabric of Detroit, bridging generations and backgrounds. Through interviews with local chefs and residents, we see how these dishes serve as conduits for heritage and storytelling, passing rich traditions and histories down through the ages. It's clear that soul food is not just sustaining bodies, but also nourishing souls, making it an indispensable part of Detroit's identity. As we conclude our journey through Detroit's soul food scene, we reflect on its past, revel in its present, and look forward to its future. This cuisine, rooted in history and love, promises to continue evolving while staying true to its essence. With the new generation of chefs incorporating modern twists into traditional recipes, Detroit's soul food is set to captivate and inspire even more people. By embracing innovation while honoring tradition, this culinary practice will no doubt continue to play a vital role in Detroit's cultural landscape. Just as the city itself has shown remarkable resilience and transformation, so too does its soul food remain a beacon of cultural pride and community connection.